Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making a Waldorf salad. I have two pink lady apples and I'm going to cut them into small dice. I have a stalk of celery. I'm going to slice it finely. I've transferred our apples to a medium bowl, and to it I'm going to add the celery, quarter cup of almonds, 2 tablespoons of dried cranberry, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Toss this together. 1 crack of salt, 2, maybe 3 cracks of pepper. Put this in the refrigerator to chill, and we'll serve it up. I have some of our Waldorf salad. Let's give it a taste. It's creamy from the mayonnaise, sweet from the apple, and a little savory from the celery. And the walnut brings a nice nutty note. I also like the cranberries too. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make Waldorf salad. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.